Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is a Tetris Ipsy palette. I also have a giveaway going on right now in honor of our 100th video going up, as well as another giveaway going on in honor of our 200th subscriber. I will put links in the description box down below that talks about how to enter all of these. It takes you to the videos that tells you how to enter all of these giveaways. If you are new to Sephora Play, it does ship out monthly. It's $10 a month. There's usually about 5 beauty samples, sometimes deluxe size samples. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full-size product. Let's dive into this box. Sephora's kind of been hit and miss for me. Some months have been really good, some months have been okay. I haven't found one that has knocked me out of the park yet, so I'm hoping that this will be one of them. All the products come in this cute little green, basically like a sandwich bag, kind of has a Ziploc on the top. You always get 50 points that you can spend and redeem online or in store. And there's always a pamphlet that talks about the different products in here. This is the Desert Island Essentials. Let's say you can only take 6 beauty products to a desert island. What are they? If not sure, we have some suggestions. This first product I am very familiar with. It is the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. Feel calm, cool, and collected. Knowing this liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. A full size of this does retail for $19.50. And shake, 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 shake the bottle. Then soak a cotton pad with the remover. Hold the pad over your eyes and meditate, also known as wait a few seconds, then wipe away. There's no need to tug or pull. So when I do my makeup removing, I do a double cleanse. I will use some sort of oil-based, usually some sort of balm to remove 99% of it, and then I will go in with my regular cleanser after that. I do find that the balm is not enough to remove basically right up next to the lash line. So what I do is, you can see mine, it's, here's a full one, here's my almost empty one, is I will take a Q-tip, put it in there, and then just kind of gently rub at my lash line, and that gets off any extra residue that I have left behind there. I am so excited. Speaking of taking the makeup off with a balm, I've never tried anything from this brand because they're so expensive, but I'm excited. Even though it's a travel size, still excited. It is the Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser with a bamboo booster. So I did not get with the bamboo booster in mine. So I don't know if they just left it out. It was just this kind of pamphlet right here. So if anybody at Sephora is watching this, kind of hook me back up, please. So the only thing this cleansing balm leaves behind is a dewy glow. Plus it comes with extra exfoliator made with bamboo and charcoal powder. That's the exfoliator that I didn't get. Get the ingredients. Marula seed oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin. Caudalie melon seed oil soothes and calms. Bamboa seed oil softens and dissolves the makeup. It is exclusive and new to Sephora. A full size of this does retail for $34. The bonus item this month is Juliette Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. The scent is the epitome of minimalistic, and it's just one note, but that's really all it needs. A full size of this is retail for $128, and it's their fragrance family of woody and earthy. Top and only note is Caudalie. It's okay. Yeah, it's got the woody, earthy smell. It almost smells like a really light cologne to me, more than I would say a woman's fragrance. It's just, it's okay. It's not my cup of tea. Oh, from Living Proof is their Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. A full size of this does retail for $28. And when you want to keep your hair cleaner for longer, i.e. always, this is a non-stripping shampoo that removes buildup from product pollution and hard water. I know where I live, we have a ton of hard water. How to use: swap in for regular shampoo is needed. For hard water buildup removal, let it sit for 2 minutes before rinsing. I'm gonna have to give this one a shot to see if I can get the hard water stuff out of my hair. From Bite Beauty is their Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glace. The full size of this does retail for $24. I do know that Bite Beauty is cruelty free. Here's what it kind of looks like. So it's a long wearing, water resistant, high pigmented. This dusty mauve lip color is a treasure you definitely won't want to bury. It is exclusive to Sephora, and some of the top ingredients are resveratrol, acts as an antioxidant, orange peel wax seals in the moisture, organic fruit butters, hydrate and nurture. I am going to put this one in one of my upcoming giveaways. So I've already started to set aside stuff for our 300 subscriber, so help us get there and get another big box. From Caudalie is their Vinopure Natural Salicylic Acid Pore Mineralizing Serum. Yes, please. A full size of this does retail for $49. There's only so much room in a survival kit. So pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the look of pores and zaps blemishes. How to use: morning and night, apply a dime size amount to your clean, dry face. Tip: use as a spot treatment for problem areas overnight. Love it. I am in love with this box. You know, I said I wanted one to knock me out of the park. This just about did it. The only thing that would make a difference is if I would have got the extra thing that I was supposed to get, the other Drunk Elephant product. I've been wanting to try Drunk Elephant for a long time, and even if it's only sample size, I am super excited for this. This has been a mainstay for me. You know, you've got the Living Proof hair shampoo is supposed to be good for hard waters. The Vinopure, if it acts as a double duty serum, love it. And then the Bite Beauty lipstick, love, love, love. What were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.